Well, g'day everyone. Today I've got my original stamped Ferguson back blade on my TEA20 Ferguson tractor. It's an original Harry Ferguson item. It's got the stamp up on this bracket up here. It came with the tractor when I purchased it, so I presume it's original to this tractor. It's a pretty cool item. Come and have a look. So here we've got this lever, pull that forward, it unlocks the pin, grab this handle, and you can turn it to various angles. There's a series of pins, pin holes, and when you get to your desired one, push back on that, bit of a wobble on that, and it locks into place. I'll show you that a bit closer. So we're looking down in here, push the lever forward, pin goes in, pops back out again. So that's locked in this position. So it's very handy. You can sit on the tractor. If you want to straighten it, pull that lever, turn that, straighten the blade. Or if you want more of an angle, you just obviously the lever, turn it to whatever angle you want, and you're good to go. So should we go and see this in action? Yeah, come on, come for a ride.